Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorette and we back again with another video. And y'all already know what we about to do today. Yes, we are going to be doing something new today. So before we get in this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, do all them things. What you waiting for? Get into it. So in this video today, y'all, we are going to be trying on a headband wig today for the first time. So yeah, let's get right on into it. This is the hair that they sent me. It comes in this little purple bag. This hair is called Catty hair. It's a 12-inch wig and it's body wave. So yeah, let's get it out. It came with a pack of lashes. And then it came with a headband. Match my outfit, you know what I'm saying? Match my outfit. And then it came with instructions and it comes with a wig cap. And this is the wig right here. This is what she looking like. You guys, I have never worn a headband wig and I don't like them. So this is my first time, you know, testing out, trying it out. So we're gonna try it out together. How about that? It has a strap on the back. It has 4 combs in here. This is the back and this is the front. I already did my edges. They are so hard to lay down because I have 4C hair. So if you know about 4C hair, yeah. I already braided my own hair and then put it in 2 little big braids. So y'all, it's getting dark outside, but I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this video because we gotta do it, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get them coins, okay, period. This is what it's looking like. It's cute. I never thought that a headband wig can be cute. She looking cute, like I can't lie. This outfit is, you know, making it cute. I really don't know what the fuck I want to do to my hair, like be honest with you. I might want to do a half up, half down look. I think that'll be so cute. Yes, that'll be so cute. I think that would go really, really good with this headband wig. Okay, I'm definitely feeling the headband wigs now. I might just put it up like this. And we're gonna curl it. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's so cute with this outfit. It's giving. Yes. What I'm gonna do is style it off camera and I'm not gonna cut it. Show y'all what it look like up close. This is what it look like. I know my hair is red, but I'm trying to hide it. My hair is growing out, so it got a little black in it. And I love how like the jet black look is like coming through. It made me want to dye my hair back black. Like yes, black is so gorgeous. Look at it. It's so dark and it gives that chef's kiss. Super soft too, y'all. The bands and stuff, your hair ain't going nowhere. Like, look at this. Nowhere, sis. Nowhere. A bitch couldn't even pull it off. This is better than the wig at this point. Look at this. Them combs is not joking. Not joking. Yes, it's giving. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this bob wig. I told her not to send it because I never had a headband wig, but I'm glad she sent this. So thank you, girls. Thank you for sending me Catty hair. I'm gonna style it and come back and we're gonna see the finished results, okay? Period. So y'all, this is the look that I went for. I put these down, curled them, and then I curled this. I got like a little, you know, clip in the back, and then I curled these. I don't want these to be like hard or whatnot, so I'm not gonna put any spray in there or anything like that because I'm still trying to test out this wig and you know, I haven't even really tested out. So what I did was put this Shea Moisture wig and weave spray in there, and this stuff smells so good. It's for like human hair and wigs, weaves, all that good stuff. So yeah, go out and get you some of this. But we are all finished with this video, okay? Really love the down look too. I should have did that look, but this was more cuter. My curls are coming out because it was sweating here, so I had to turn the air on. But yeah, the curls actually stay. You can see tracks in the back, but we can fix that. We can go buy some more 12-inch human hair and you know, sew that bitch in, okay? So this is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. The link will be in the description down below if y'all want this wig. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.